Thermostat wiring mistakes can make your heater and air conditioner run at the same time, which totally wastes energy and jacks up your bills. So, here's the thing. Your thermostat controls both heating and cooling through specific wires, usually W for heat and Y for cooling. If those wires accidentally touch or get crossed, your system gets confused and fires up both heat and AC together. That not only wastes energy, but also makes your home uncomfortable as heck, because you're basically fighting yourself temperature-wise. To stop this mess, check your thermostat wiring carefully. Make sure W and Y wires are separated and not touching each other or any metal parts. Sometimes the wires get crammed in too tight or bent weirdly behind the thermostat plate, so gently straighten them out if needed. Also, if you're not sure, grab the thermostat's wiring diagram or manual to double-check which wire goes where. If you're not comfortable messing with electrical stuff, calling a pro is a smart move instead of risking damage or shocks. Keeping these wires neat and correctly routed saves energy, cuts down wear on your system, and keeps your home feeling just right. One of the biggest thermostat wiring mistakes causing heating and cooling to run simultaneously is mixing up the W and Y wires. This makes the system send signals to both heat and AC units at once. Fix it by carefully separating these wires and ensuring they connect to the right terminals. Another issue is damaged or frayed wires that create accidental contact. Replacing any worn wiring solves this problem. Lastly, improper routing where wires are pinched or bent under the thermostat plate can cause shorts. Making sure the wires have enough slack and are neatly arranged prevents this from happening. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC and thermostat setups. Contractors also get a steady stream of work there, making it easier for everyone to keep homes comfy without the wiring headaches.